Hey, Cody, what do you see out there? What's outside? What's out there? Ava, do you see? Do you see? Okay, let's go take a look. Let's go take a look, guys. Here we go. What's out there? Yeah. What's out there?
Oh my goodness.
Woo. Look! What's that? Whoa! My lens is fogging up. It's so humid out. There. What do you think?
Oh my goodness.
Ladder, that's right. Avit! What is this? That's a slide! Hi, slide. And there goes Cody. Whoop. Jeez, that's so humid. I see you. You're doing great, Cody. Ladder.
Good job, honey.
Hi, Ladder.
Gonna get it in case we.
No, she's okay.
Okay. She's already been up there.
No, she has not. Here you go. Get to the. Hold on to that. There you go. There you go. You're doing great, Cody. You're doing great.
Good job.
One more big step. Or actually, two more, I guess. You're doing good, A.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you later.
Oh, good job. Look at you. What is that, wheel?
Are you driving a car? Is that like driving a car? Vroom, vroom, vroom. That's
Hey,
right.
hold on here, honey.
Yeah, you can
Hold
hang
on
on to
the
those
side.
if you want,
Okay,
buddy.
you got
Or he
it?
can hold on
Okay,
down there
good
too.
job.
That's fine.
Yeah. Right.
Let's see. Go, 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 Cody. You're, it's all wet, but they're going to get all wet out here.
Okay, I was just trying to see if it was in the slide for me. Oh, look at that. The case comes.
Woo! Whoa!
Yay!
You did good job.
That goes fast, Cody, doesn't it? What do you see down there?
Ava, you want to come down the slide? Are you seeing how high up you are?
I think you just realized it.
Making you a little nervous?
Get on the side, slide?
Is there a telescope up there? I didn't even know that.
You didn't? Oh, I didn't.
Wow.
You can go back and do it again. Bye-bye.